you should learn to make in the place. Okay, because
What?
it's very easy.
To
Yeah,
do
it's
the-
only one and it's very easy. So you
Well,
can-
he responds very, very well
Yeah.
to massage.
Yeah.
Like he goes to sleep.
Yeah, is that the needle is doing the same than the massage
Yeah.
very fast. Down, down. So it's in the middle of the head. Yeah.
Okay.
And then in the next 1 minute, 2 minutes, he should be down. Down. Good boy. Good boy. It's a fighter, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Good boy. And I'm putting directly to the acupuncture points, the place you are doing the massage. For
Yeah.
example, this, look at down, down, here, yeah, here in the feet,
Yeah.
yeah, in the middle, yeah, down, good boy, yeah, in the middle of the hips, in the feet base,
Yeah.
yeah. So the laser is powerful, is a strong light, and when it's crossing the muscle, the pressure, the tension pressure of
Yeah.
the muscle is falling down.
Oh, okay.
So when you are passing the hand in the back, you
Yeah.
can feel that it's not so.
Tight.
Yeah, it's not contraction. There are
okay.
not contraction of the muscle.
Okay.
So we are using a lot this for sport dogs of agility and these kind of things.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are going to do it. We are no, this is not. Wait. Good. But they are clever, they discover that you are doing something. So then they forget the needle and they are fighting with this, the other hand.
Ah.
Yeah, they are very clever. 2. Not this one, it's not. It's this one. This one is not. It's this one. Good boy. Wow. Down. He's clever. Down. To work.
Ah, okay.
Because the brain is in a different pathway. Because this is used to be painful, yeah. In there. The Thinegari, yeah. A second. Of the answer
The reaction.
or reaction
Yeah,
of we
yeah.
getting frustrated. Yeah. Look at.
Yeah.
Yeah. Timo.
Timo.
Toma. Timo.
Stop it.
No, the
Down.
That's
Look at him. Look. Timo. Mate. Good boy. Good boy.